Now that your computer is ready to go, it's time to run the Cabinet Vision installation. There's two types of installation. The first, which we'll be looking at for this video, is just our standard single user installation. There is a network version of Cabinet Vision, but if you are planning on doing this, you'll need to talk to one of the Planet Techs and have them walk through the process with yourself and your IT department. It's also going to be assumed for this video you've never had any sort of version of Cabinet Vision installed on your computer before. You would have received a little USB stick with the install disk on it. Plug that into your computer and we'll take it from there. Once you've plugged your USB stick in, the first step is to copy the file onto your computer and keep it somewhere where you remember for if you need it in the future. I'm going to put mine into my downloads folder here. Once the file has been copied to your computer, we can right click on it and select Run as Administrator. The file will then ask where you would like to unpack the installation files. The default part will be the Cabinet Vision folder, which we created earlier. So we can just click OK. Once this is finished unpacking the files, you'll see it launch the Cabinet Vision installation wizard screen. The first thing we need to do is ensure in the top right corner that we have selected the correct language. Once you have selected the correct language, we can now select Launch the Installation Wizard. The welcome screen will appear and you can select Next. You'll then need to read through the terms and conditions and click Yes to proceed and agree. However, selecting No will mean the installation process will end. You're again going to be asked for a destination path for the installation of Cabinet Vision itself. You'll see it's already set to Cabinet Vision folder that we created earlier, so we can just hit Next. You'll then be asked to select the setup type you would like to perform. It is suggested that you just select the Express Install option and then click Next. After this, you'll be able to select your measurement type. For now, I'll be selecting millimeters. Following this, you'll see the status window appear as your computer runs the Cabinet Vision process. You'll then be asked to select the setup type for your screen to machine installation. Again, it is suggested just to select S2M Center recommended, and then we can click Yes. You will again see the status windows as the computer begins to install S2M. During this process, you will be asked to select which version of AlphaCam you wish to use with S2M. Select AlphaCam 2016 R2 and then select Next. Once this process has been finished, you will be requested to restart your PC. Make sure you do that restart. Don't have to do it straight away, but make sure you do it before you try and open Cabinet Vision.